Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about cosine 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sine a squared in here. Now about s, that is about number 2 multiplied by s over 2. So capital A, that is about s over 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have 1 minus 2 sine s over 2 square. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, we have 1 over bs plus c with first derivative. So later that we have elliptic integral of the first kind. So we have f in here and we have bs plus c. I will put in here. And then coefficient, that's about I will put in here. And then we put about c. Now we can apply this formula for this one. So first derivative of this one, we have 1 over 2. And this one we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.